Hi guys, got a minute? Let me show you how to make the easiest spiced apple dump cake ever. With a can of apple pie filling and a box of cake mix, it's a delicious, comforting dessert you can enjoy in the fall or any time of year. Let's get into it. Here's the ingredients you need. Cinnamon, a can of apple pie mix, a box cake mix, golden, nutmeg, and 1 stick, which is half a cup, of melted butter. Spray your baking pan. And set aside. Now you want 1 can, 540 milliliter of apple pie filling. And to it we want to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And mix that up really well. Okay, set that aside. In another bowl, we want to add 1 cake box mix, the golden one I'm using. And your 1 stick of melted butter. And slowly mix that. Okay, I've got that mixed up really well. As you'll note, it's crumbly. Let's put our apple pie filling at the bottom of our pan. Spread it out nicely. And let's put our cake mix with the butter over top. And we're going to bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes. Now that's depending on your oven.